Hello friends, as you all of know, RBI has released vacancy for 161 post, and I think most of you will apply for this post. I was appeared last year. I reached till interview, so I am planning to share my strategy, share my plan with you people, so that if you people want, then you may get some idea and preparation knowledge how to prepare for this exam. uh, as you know, this year 161 vacancy. There are various category in 145 for first category and 12 and somewhere 4 post other two category, but I will not share all that because my plan is to share my strategy, my plan with you, and my material with you. RBI will release notification on 3rd May, so you may visit RBI website on 3rd May so that you will get better idea about how to apply and what is your fees. I just came with a basic idea. Vacancy is 161 and last date is 23rd May 2017. Before that you have to apply, and in RBI three stage. A stage 1 exam matlab phase 1 exam will be on 17 June 2017, and phase 2 stage 2 exam will be on 7 July 2017. I came here with a strategy of stage 1. As all of you know, in stage 1 four section is will be there. One is general awareness, second is English language, third is quantitative aptitude, and fourth is reasoning. You can see here in general awareness 80 question will be there, and English 30 question will be there, quants 30 question, and reasoning 60 question. Means general awareness and reasoning will be turning point. If you score in these two section, then you will definitely go through this stage 1 exam. I had score in 71 this section and 50 this question, and cutoff was 98.5. So I cleared cutoff because of only these two section. So you have to prepare these two section very well, and general awareness is very important. 2 hours, within 2 hours you may give 40 minutes to general question and gain maximum marks. For general awareness, you may refer various magazine like Pratyogita Darpan, economic section, economic political weekly, and RBI notification, government's view, newspaper. You have to search and prepare from all this material. And reasoning, quants, and English is similar to as your regular banking preparation. Reasoning, they will ask you ladder type, building type, sitting arrangement, circular sitting arrangement. This type of question will be asked. And in quants and English, same as banking, but here in general awareness is a key point. Here they will ask you a question of economics, question of economic political section, economical social issue section. You have to prepare these two very well. And in stage 2 you have to prepare these three topics: economic and social issue, finance and management, and English. As you can see here, economic and social issue is objective, and finance and management will also be executive paper. English will be descriptive paper. Within 3 hours, you have to solve these three paper. 100 question will be asked. Means they will ask 60 question from economic and 40 question from social, 70 question from finance, 30 question from management. Like this type uh, uh, this type of the category they will made, and they will ask you, and you have to answer that. Last year cutoff is not available, so I came here cutoff of 2015. In 2015 cutoff was 197 marks, and in stage 3 you have to prepare for 50 marks. uh, these 50 marks is very crucial. I am out from this race because of these 50 marks. I didn't score very good marks in interview section. I scored very good marks in only in written and stage 1, but stage 1 is not important for further progress. Stage 2 is important, and stage 3 is important. So you have to prepare a stage 3 very well. And economic and social issue and financial management you have to prepare first, because economic and social issue will be your age in general awareness section. If you prepare this section very well, if you prepare this section very well, then you will get age in general awareness section. You will get age in general awareness section. And English and quantitative reasoning, you can prepare this section with slight modification. But from now you have to focus only on general awareness. What you have to do in general awareness, I will tell you. Just buy one newspaper, one economic newspaper like The Hindu or Indian Express. Buy only one, either The Hindu or Indian Express, and read daily economic section of any of these paper. And you have to uh, study one book like Uma Kapila. I have studied Ramesh Singh for UPSC preparation, so I didn't study any book. But if you are weak in economics, then you have to study one book, Uma Kapila, Mishra and Pure. There are so many books available for economics. You have to if you study this Mishra and Pure and Uma Kapila, then this will be good in economic and social issue and general awareness also. And general awareness, you have to be ready for economic, finance, banking and current affair. So economic will be done you can done from Uma Kapil and Mishra Puri, any of these. Finance and banking is part of current affair. You have to study just government policies. Last year they had asked various government policies, like I remember one question. They asked bank board bureau and monetary policy. Government made monetary policy committee, then at that time they asked a question on this monetary policy committee. So like this, they will ask you question. You have to prepare thoroughly with these 80 marks, and you have to score more than 60 marks. More than 60 if you score in this section, then no one can stop you in stage 1. You will definitely go through stage 1 and be ready for stage 2. For stage 2, I will come with a broader strategy and how to plan after this 17/6. Means from today you have left with somewhere. Today is 3rd May and exam will be on 17 June. Means around somewhere 44 days left in your hand. So you have to prepare these 44 days very hard, in very hard manner. You have to go through this exam. So my all the wishes with you. Prepare with all your effort, all your courage, and crack this exam. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget for share this video. If you like this video, then like, and if you have any queries, then just put in comment. I will reply your queries. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.